What's the meaning of comeuppance? Comeuppance. Comeuppance.
Comeuppance. Comeuppance. The term comeuppance refers to the inevitable punishment or reprisal that a person receives for their bad behavior or actions. It is usually associated with a sense of justice being served, as the individual is made to answer for their wrongdoing. This can take many forms, including public humiliation, social ostracism, legal penalties, or personal setbacks. Ultimately, the result of comeuppance is a reckoning for one's actions, and a recognition that there are consequences for behaving badly or treating others poorly.